All right, good morning. This is first day at Pattaya. As you saw, things went out a bit last night. So I'm just going to show you the room. So this is the corridor and come down, and I'm in room 214. It's absolutely beautiful. Got a bathroom in here. A nice walk-in shower, not over the bath this time. Wardrobes in there, so I got all the shirts and caps and everything all ready to go. There is a mini bar in there. Big, nice bed, comfortable. Yeah, great room for luggage along there. It's got the computer set up there and the TV. It's quite a nice big room. But the best part, have a look at this. You come out here and there's the pool. Right, hey buddy.
It fits.
Does it?
Yeah.
You're kidding?
No.
The 3XL fits you?
Yes. And it's a little bit better length than that.
Really?
We took a photo, I'm going to show Claire. And the sleeves only come to here, not to there.
Okay. Can you see if they've got a spare 3 there, and I might try it on?
Alright.
So, oh, it's the case of all the shirts, I tell you. Yeah, so there's the pool. So, I'm going to go out for a walk in a minute, have a wander around, and then everyone's meeting back at the pool. So, yeah, it's a beautiful resort. Yeah.